SOLIDWORKS 2024 has some excellent new features when importing step files. Once a step file is selected for import, the Enable Filter option is displayed. Selecting this option and then opening the step file displays a feature tree structure of the assembly included in the step file. In the feature tree, we're able to select individual components. The components can be previewed to confirm that it's the desired geometry. A single file can be imported without the need of importing the entire assembly. What a great enhancement to improve productivity!